I'm looking for something to fix. There are a lot of diesels here. Oh, this is a flip face James. So I hope we can find something. There is an, oh look, here's the face. Flip face James, and this one also. Oh, after a quick inspection, this model is missing the face. Alright, the second one, I see the flip face is here. So, and I think all the parts are here. If not, I can take one from the other bag. Broken coupler, put a battery on, and it's working, but it's a little dirty. Let's clean it up. Okay, so what pretty much we're going to do is clean and do a little touch up. So this needs to be washed very good, and I need to clean the gears cogs inside the box. Also does not have a decal, so I'm thinking of using some vinyl, and I need some new couplers. Good thing we found the flippers in this bag. Cool. After a close-up inspection, there's just a little bit of dirt on these cogs, gears, or whatever you name it. So we do a little cleaning and add some lube. Alright, gears have been cleaned and we add some lube, ready to go. Okay, next step, let's wash these parts. Okay, now we are done with the wash and dry, and it needs a little detailing and reassemble. We'll start with these two little weights and then the flip face. Next I'm going to do is to put the gearbox there. Next step, middle wheels go first, and then the driving wheels there. And I found a good coupling. Now let's put the chassis. Put the screws on. Let's go with the spring. This little weight. Don't forget the front wheels, flippers. Okay, this part goes here. Now that we put the screws, a little test. Does it work? Yes, it works. Now we gotta solder the model. That is done. Put the wheels, put the chassis. That is done, and it is working. Flip face James. Don't forget the side roads. That is done. It needs just a little touch up. Same on this side. That makes a big difference. Same in the other side. How about the white stripes? Yep, that's much better. Ooh, that's better. Now I want to put some vinyl instead of the paper decals. Cut these decals. Those are very good looking decals, vinyl. Now we gotta transfer it to the tender. So there is the vinyl. Yep, that's looking good. Done. And that's how we fix a model that wasn't working. Okay, now we are done with flip face James. I do not have the flip face tracks. We can do that in another video.